Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start using MDB5 view. So in order to start, let's navigate to mdbootstrap.com and then find a view section. Once you are here, hit the get started button and then we're gonna download a starter package. So hit MDB5 view download. Now, I also strongly encourage you to subscribe to our newsletter because we're gonna send you information when the new version of MDB5 view gonna be released. You're also gonna find the information about the new components and much more. Now, once downloading is over, let's open this folder when our zip file has been downloaded, and let's unzip it using program of your choice. I'm gonna use a built-in Windows tool which gonna create a new folder for me. Now once we unzipped files, let's open them in Visual Studio Code. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open a command line within Visual Studio Code and I'm gonna type npm install. That's gonna install obviously all the dependencies. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get back to our docs page and I'm gonna search for some component. Let's say we're gonna use card. So I'm going to the cards and I'm gonna copy this example. So you're gonna find the code over here. So let me copy this template and let's get back to Visual Studio Code. Now, once installation is over, let's type npm start to see if everything works. And as you can see, our starter is ready. So now let's see if components from docs work as expected. So I'm gonna go to source, components, hello world view, and I'm gonna paste the following template, or actually replace the entire template. And I'm also gonna copy the entire script. And let's see. This is our card. Obviously, it's taking the full width and height. So in order to make it smaller, we would have to use a Bootstrap grid or custom styles to make it smaller. But as you can see, everything works as expected, so you can start building your own custom application. I hope you find using MDB view easy. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post them down below in the comments section on the YouTube, or join our Facebook group. You're gonna find the link in the description down below. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to post them over there and our team will happily answer all your questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.